So boys, I am recording this at school currently, so if there's any noise, be like, yo, I'm not recording, I'm doing this voiceover at school, and I edited it at school inside of class. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, so this is kind of a normal-ish video because it's not super long. It's not an update or something about Juice WRLD. This is this very special truck. So my dad needed some money. He came from a really poor family, and so he really needed some money to like get his life going. And so my great grandfather gave him his truck, and that was back in the 80s. And my dad started a lawn mowing business, which, if it weren't for that truck, nothing would be here. I probably wouldn't even be. Yeah. So, don't know what to say. He daily drove it, and then about 7 years ago, he got really sick and couldn't drive it, and so we parked it, sadly. And we got it started a little bit ago. I didn't record it. Me and my uncle, and we drove it. It drove out, and yeah. Hopefully, I'm trying to get it ready for me to drive. My dad got it when he was 16, by the way. And he's had it ever since. He's like now 46, something like that. Pretty old. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video yet again. First Cafe, ending this voiceover. So, the first part was just me vacuuming out of the truck. I might put that in, but I figured I started on this mirror and it was like, well, I should maybe record it. It was super rusty, right? I'm trying to restore it a little bit. Like, it was like that. Using a Brillo pad, just scrubbing it. I mean, these aren't even like the original mirrors. These are mirrors from actually AutoZone from like the 90s. So I'd just rather not buy new mirrors. Okay. So yeah, I'm still working on it. Don't know if I told you, but first video was just me vacuuming out this and cleaning it out. So this mirror's really rusty, so I'm kind of restoring it with the Brillo pad. Just scrubbing it. Yeah. Thought I should record that. Be right back. I'll show you when it's done. So I did as much as I could. These aren't the original mirrors. These are ones from AutoZone from probably like the 90s. The mounts for them are right there. The original ones. Right there. But my uncle thought they looked weird, so he took them off when my dad wasn't home. And threw them away. So... yeah. Needs some work, just a little. Yeah. Let's keep going on this. So, next thing is getting all this crap off. It may look like it's just rust, like I need to do that mirror too, but so if you notice, it's kind of like dripped rust. But I did a test spot right here on the hood. Compared to that, I think it's going to turn out pretty good. So, I'm going to get started on that. So, it may not look as big on camera, but this thing is massive, right? The hood is massive. So, I've gotten, you can see the line right there, to right there. And I need to do a little body work. I tried to get it out, you know. That's because some kids decided to throw hockey pucks at it. And, yeah, so, it's a lot more work than it looks. But look, how much nicer that looks compared to that, Quite a bit better. Alright, just gonna say so. Like, I opened up the hood. Yeah, so. Yeah, so, you can see our jerry rig job. It doesn't have a battery right now. Yeah. So, we're gonna get this done though. So, I'm gonna keep working on it. Yeah. Oof. So I got a picture, but I forgot to take one at the halfway mark, a video. Currently on the bumper. Yeah. Yeah, look how much, ooh, shoot. Look how much of a difference that is. Wow. Just to show you what I'm doing real quick. Going like that, getting like most of the heavier stuff off. Then I go to the cleaner side, go like that, till it's white. Then I get this cloth, and then wipe it clean. Quite a bit of a difference. Alright, be right back. Gotta make it quick because my battery is done. But I got the hood done. Alright, looks nice. Clear coat's coming off right there, so I couldn't get it too good. Try my best. I'm gonna make that mirror nice and shiny now. And then probably tomorrow, gonna work on that. Cause it's getting dark. Yeah. Be right back. 5% battery. Anyway, so here we go. I use this Brillo pad right here. Did the mirror. Now it's all shiny. Look at that. You can see me in here. But guess what? You're not going to. Because no face reveal gang. And, yeah. So, hi, you can't see me in the glass either. Get wrecked. Don't know what else to say. I'm gonna end it probably right here. Cue the outro, or intro, outro. Same thing. Anyway, I actually might work on that trim. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you